Welcome! The purpose of this tutorial is to explain Student Tracker for High School's Diploma Record History. Diploma Record History is a table that displays the number of diploma records, also known as graduated students, that the Clearinghouse has stored for your institution based on your file submissions. These records are pulled for each effective date to go through the matching process and generate your Student Tracker for High School's reports. For district subscribers, the table has a row for every high school in your service agreement. You can access the diploma record history at any time from the Clearinghouse's secure site. Access is limited to users with the user admin role and the reports role. By viewing the diploma record history, you can ensure that the Clearinghouse has an accurate count of high school graduates for each academic year. These counts will correspond to the academic years in the Student Tracker for High Schools reports. For more information on Student Tracker for High Schools, please view our other tutorials online.